This video demonstrates how to set up items in QuickBooks. Items are an essential part of formulating the link between what you sell, what you buy, and the chart of accounts in QuickBooks. In this case, we are going to be looking at setting up items in connection to what we sell. It would be recommended to look at the View tutorials on the home page. And in this area, in the Learning Center, if you go to Stock and then click on the Items, Products and Services You Sell video. Meanwhile, setting up an item is done in the home page, in the Company section under the icon Items and Services. Clicking on that brings you into a new window. A number of columns. First column will give the name of the item, second one the description, the type, and the account. Again, the account in relation to the chart of accounts, and again other items such as price and sales order and so on. But keeping it straightforward, we're going to go to the practical exercise and look at the first item. In order to have this company sell items and invoices, create invoices, we need to give the information into QuickBooks. The items that we're going to set up are as follows. They're non-stock items. We sell furniture in this It's My Business company, and we need to give it a brief description, a full description, the unit price, the VAT rate, and then the income account or the chart of account that this item will be assigned to. Let's go with the first one. We can go to Item and click on New. Again, we are going to keep all of this straightforward, and we're not going to involve having a stock issue, so everything that we're going to create will be a non-stock part unless we're told otherwise. Non-stock, hit on your Tab key, and the item name or number in this case is going to be an abbreviation RT. We will skip through sub-items and manufacturer part numbers and move our cursor until we get into the description box, and we will give it a full description. In this case, we're going to call it rectangular table. Using your Tab key again, we put in the price, and if we're not sure what the VAT code is, we can see that it's sales 21%, and now we have to look and assign it to the income account in the chart of accounts. Click on the drop down list and we can see we've got an income account called sales, an income account called sales discounts, and an income account called uncategorized income. The exercise is instructing us to create an account called furniture sales. Click on Tab. Again, a pop-up tells us that this is not in the account list, so we can set it up. Again, furniture sales is fine. We don't need any other description, and we can click Save and Close to this window, and now this item has been created. We can click on OK, which will close out, or we can click on Next to save this information and go on to the next item. Let's click OK. Ignore our spelling, and now we will see that we have an item called RT, the description rectangular table, the type is non-stock part, and the account is furniture sales with the price of 135. These can be added or amended at any time. If we look at the exercise, note that we have non-stock parts, then we're told that one of the items is other charge, and again, just keep an eye on the account and so on, looking out for VAT rates and the actual unit prices too. When this task has been done, go to the Report Center, create an item price listing, print a screen, then save as a PDF and email back to the Moodle email account. That is how we set up items in QuickBooks.